Bandra Fair 2023 is here. This fair is a must visit if you are in Mumbai. You can shop from a range of stalls offering lots and lots of goodies, and even indulge in a wide variety of treats. In this fair, you can relive nostalgia with tangy goodies and delectable sweets. The fun fair includes fun rides that you must not miss. The fair began on 12 September and is there till 17 September. You can spot the fair near the Mount Mary Church steps. This fair comes to life each year to mark the birthday of Mother Mary. So do not miss this colorful event.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.